Did you know that you can create fully automated, self-updating, self-growing sites in just 60 seconds? Yes, without ever writing any content, without finding images or videos, and without doing any SEO or buying hosting. You can now get a fully automated news content website in less than 1 minute. And the best part is, you can create not just one website like this, but multiple sites that actually make money from Amazon, eBay, Walmart, all at the same time, while getting 100% free traffic from over 32 social traffic sources every single day. Yes, this is the holy grail of passive income online, and I have the perfect solution that can do all this for you while making you a lot of money month after month. Introducing NewsProfixPro, a brand new cloud-based automated news site builder that uses the power of free content and free traffic to earn you unlimited commissions from Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. Take a look at all these commissions that were earned by us using fully automated sites that we created in just 60 seconds, and they got us all free traffic on complete autopilot. As you can see, more than $300 made from just one automated news site in the last few weeks, without any complicated site builder or WordPress plugins. Just one software that does everything for you. Not just that, NewsProfixPro also hosts all your sites, all your content, images, and videos on its one powerful server, so you don't need to spend a dime on hosting costs ever. That's how amazing NewsProfixPro makes it for you to make money online in 2019. You want to see how easy it is to launch a new site and start making money? Let me show you. Once you log into your NewsProfixPro account, all you need to do is step 1, enter your site name and a few keywords to fetch content for you. Step 2, now enter some keywords for Amazon, eBay, and Walmart to fetch your products. Step 3, now just push one button and your brand new, fully automated, self-updating site is ready and launched. You can click one button and see it. It has fresh content, images, and videos along with products from different e-com sites to make you money. Not just that, you can connect 32 different social accounts and sites to your site and automatically get free social traffic from all the 32 sources at the same time. Now this is brilliant. You'll never have to pay for traffic or content or do any hard work again. Whether you're an experienced marketer or new to internet marketing, you can instantly launch a fresh, self-growing news content site and promote hundreds of products while start earning commissions daily, all using free content, free videos, and 100% free traffic that you can now get automatically thanks to this brand new software. If you're spending any time creating, editing, and managing blogs or sites, stop immediately and switch over to NewsProfixPro. This is the only software you will need to use going forward. And if you're working your ass off creating sites using complicated software that gets hacked often and never gets any results, you need to stop wasting your time now and change things up. All you need is NewsProfixPro, and you can create amazing, fully automated news content sites promoting various offers all at the same time, paying you commissions over and over again. With NewsProfixPro, you don't need a domain name, you don't need hosting, you don't need expensive site creator software, you don't need to do any SEO, you don't need to write any content at all. All you need is NewsProfixPro, and your free content and traffic will start flowing from day one on your brand new sites that can be launched on any topic in under 60 seconds. Our aim is to make earning commissions very, very simple for you, and that's exactly what we've done here. And the best part is you can promote unlimited affiliate products, add unlimited content, images, and videos to your sites. All that with a brand new NewsProfixPro platform and get free traffic at the same time. So take a look at these commissions that were earned from a single site we created in just 5 minutes without any hard work and without ever spending any money. Not just us, but early users and customers have also got amazing results. You can see here all these amazing results from our customers are proof that this software works. Want to get results like these without spending money on traffic or creating content? All you need to do is get instant access to the NewsProfixPro software today. We have a very special deal open for you right now on this amazing software, and all you need to do is click the button below and grab it before the price goes up. The fact is, news sites make billions of dollars every year. Google News alone has made over $4.7 billion using content from other sites. They don't even have their own content and they make billions. Now who wants a piece of that pie? NewsProfixPro gives you the fastest way to create news content sites, the easiest way to earn commissions, and makes everything super simple. Now you can churn out a new site every day while having your morning coffee and earn commissions from each one while getting unlimited free traffic for your sites at the push of a button. That is the power of NewsProfixPro software, and today you can get your account while this special offer lasts. So hurry up, claim it now, and I'll see you on the inside.